Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a powerful and wonderful hack for UI automation. So in the last video we have discussed there are some input fields where it will have some default values. There we try to use the clear function but it doesn't work. It ignores because it is the JS masked or fancy inputs. So in that case what we can do is we can use the send keys. So with the send keys we can send the control A and then delete, and then it will delete the entire value. Again you can use the send key values and you can give the desired value. For the username you can enter the username. Okay, now after trying with the send keys, it is still not accepting the characters inside the input field. Then what we can do, then we can use a powerful feature, JavaScript executor. You can give execute script argument 0 value, and then you can enter the desired value whatever you want to enter in that particular username or password field. Okay, you are entered, but still it is not, the UI is not reacting. It doesn't react and it still shows the login button disabled. The reason is only if the username and password button has the value, then the login button will be enabled. Okay, but still in this case it is thinking the username and password field doesn't have the value. Why? The reason is when we are using the Selenium functions like send keys and clear, it automatically triggers the events like input and change events. But when we are using the JavaScript executor, it directly goes and changes the values in the DOM. It is setting the value using the JavaScript, but it doesn't fire any events automatically. So what we have to do is we have to add this code for dispatching the events like input and change. When you add all together, it will set the value and also dispatch the events. So it will fire the events and input and change. So now the website, the application believes, okay, the username and password fields have the value. Now we have to enable the login button. Now you got the trick. I hope this will be very helpful for you. For more information and for more hacks, follow my channel MAM Growth. Thank you so much. See you in future video. Bye bye.